When I bought this, I was expecting it to be groundbreaking. You know what I mean? Like, I was expecting this to be like the next big thing. I don't know what I was specifically expecting, but I thought maybe the camera would be slightly better. It's really good. Don't get me wrong. It's really good. Arguably, probably one of the best, if not the best, on a phone to date for the size that it is. I know there's like some camera phones, but it's like literally like this big. Oh, my phone's got the best camera. Look at my phone, you know? Yeah, obviously it's got the best camera. It's got a freaking DSLR taped onto it. You know what I'm saying? For what it is, I'd say it's probably one of the best cameras out there. You got the wide angle, it's clear, blah, blah, blah. It's just not like, I don't know, it's just not blowing my socks off. You know what I'm saying? The photos it takes, like I took a selfie of me over there, you know, without my glasses, and I look like in real life, I look pretty tired, you know what I'm saying? But this photo, it buttered me up. I was looking K-pop. Look at that buttery. I think they got some AI in there that like smooths out the lines in your face and removes the bags, you know? So like, oh my God, Brittany, I'm tired. It's like, oh. And then it makes your face look so pretty because of the software it's got in there. You're not actually that pretty. Okay, I give the camera an 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10, that's a B. That's a solid B, that's good. Let's move on. The screen. The screen, while it may be big, I like it. It's bigger than my 10. However, it's literally the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing. Like there's no, you know, I don't know, I'm thinking like, okay, 10 came out, then 11 came out, and the reason I didn't get the 11 is because it looked too much like the 10. Yeah, they put an extra camera on the back, but I was like, we're gonna wait for the 12. 12 comes out, it's literally the exact same screen. Now, I did get the max version, so it's bigger, and I definitely like that. But the screen is like the same. You know, couldn't they have made it full screen? I don't know, maybe not. Maybe Apple just can't do that. But Samsung's doing it. The other companies are doing it. Now, you might be like, dude, you're an idiot. You didn't look at how the screen functioned before you bought it. No, I knew it was gonna be the exact same screen when I bought it. I bought it anyways. I was pre-disappointed when I bought it. Another thing that I'm like, I think you could have did a little better, Apple, on the screen is the refresh rate. I think it's what, 60 hertz? 60 hertz is great. You know, it's all anyone really needs. But come on, you're Apple. Give me that 120. You know what I'm saying? I think Samsung's doing 120 and that thing's like smooth, you know? You're like, oh man, your eyes can't even keep up with that thing. But this, you get a little, you know, you get that, you can kind of see that refresh rate, you know, when you skip your hands on there. In a nutshell, if I'm coming from scratch, the screen's a 10 out of 10. It's absolutely amazing. It's big, it's crisp, blah, blah, blah. But just based on an upgrade from like the 10 or even maybe an earlier model, I'm gonna say 6 out of 10. I'm gonna say like, you know, come on, this is the new model. This is the Pro Max 12. Freaking over $1,000 for this stupid phone. 6 out of 10. I'm happy though, I'm happy, okay? So we did camera, we did screen, that's basically all there is. Call quality, who cares about call quality? You know, it's only a phone. Call quality is really good, obviously. Voice comes through crisp, clear. Apple messaging, that's always fun. I don't really care. Something cool, new, but this is just for all iOS, is that widget thing. So if I hold the screen down with my finger and I hit the plus up there, I can add like widgets. So I can just throw that in there, add widget. And now I got the weather up there, so kind of like Android. Look at, you can even add a widget that tells you how much charge you have left in your battery. Apps run smooth, obviously they should. They should. Videos look great. If you like YouTube, videos look great on this thing. What else is there? I mean, camera, the screen, Instagram, that looks great. iOS and Instagram like pair up so well. That's just something that's by luck with Apple because they have less phones than Android. So if you do like Instagram and you do, you know, the story or whatever, you take a picture with this, it's like it's synced up better with the iPhone than it is Android phones. Most Android phones, I don't know. I don't have any Android phones. I just look at my wife's every once in a while. She's team Android. She's team Samsung. I'm team idiot. I love Apple, but I hate Apple at the same time, all right? Gosh, you know how it is. Everybody who loves Apple knows what I'm talking about. So something I'm also ticked off at right now, and this is probably not Apple's fault, are these third-party items I got, these protectors for my phone, i.e. the screen protector. It just won't go on. I cleaned it. I swear I cleaned it and I put it on like spec, but for some reason it just keeps peeling up at the corner here, like this permanent air bubble down here and over here on the side. But you know what? I can deal with it. I'm not too OCD. I just look through it. Second thing I'm disappointed about is this case cover. Don't buy this case one. Let me show you why. You hear that noise? That's my camera. Lenses, 3 of them, hitting the glass table. That's not good. I want this bevel right here to lift off beyond the camera so that when I put it down, it's sitting on the case and not the camera, for crying out loud. So first thing I'm doing right here, right now with you guys is I'm changing this case. Wow, that is pretty nice. All right, so overall bling of the device, bling, yeah, it's, what is it, 2004? Maybe I'm gonna give this like a 9.5 because it's like, whoa, baby. You know what I'm saying? If everybody didn't have one of these and you were the only one, people would think it costs like $800, which would be an insane amount for a phone if no one else had a phone. But because everybody else pays $1,000 for a phone, you get the picture. So I got this new case right here from Otto, and on their advertisement on Amazon, it showed that the camera bevel came out to protect it better. So I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna see what's up. Whoa, okay. Oh, that slips right in there. That is a nicer case. All right, let's do the sit down test. Oh, you hear that? It's sitting on the case like it should. I don't know if you can see that there, but that bevel is popping out, protecting the camera. Haha. Oh, it's a little smooth. Yeah. All in all, you know what? I'm just gonna say all in all, overall rating, you're gonna get a B minus. A B minus? I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. All right. I'm still keeping it. I do like it a lot. All right. Don't get me wrong. I like it a lot. It's just so similar to the 10. And probably even way more similar to the 11. However, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very thankful that I was able to buy this. I like it a lot. It's my new daily driver phone. All right, this is my new phone here. I do like the bigger screen of the Max. I really like that. But then again, you could have got the iPhone 11 Max or the iPhone, I think 10 Max, I don't know. But yeah, overall, it's a good upgrade. I'm just not blown away by the upgrade, if that makes sense. So 8 out of 10, B minus. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. I'll do more critique tech reviews if you guys want to see these. I hope you guys all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out, so stay tuned. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I will see you all in the next video. But you gotta focus.